You shall not pass up these upgrades for the one book cover to rule them all. Okay, that was a little bit of a mouthful. Let's start this over. Once upon a time, there was a pattern called the one book cover to rule them all. It was an adjustable pattern for any book of any size, and it was incredible. But what if it could be made better? I started thinking about what options would not take away from the base pattern, but enhance it. So, let me introduce you to the You Shall Not Pass Up These Upgrades add-on pattern. So what did you think? Adjustable straps, ribbon bookmarks, making it reversible. And don't forget, we've got pockets. I am really in love with all of these options. And I had such a blast putting all these options together for you. I have so many book covers now, so many. Now, where can you get a copy of this add-on pattern? In the Literary Sewing Shop, of course. I have tagged all of the products to this video as well as put the links in the video description below, so you should be able to pop on over there and grab a copy for yourself. And in case you're wondering, yes, there will be video tutorials, so make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so that you know when the next video tutorial is available. Happy sewing!